Hello guys, welcome to day 9. Day 9 of my 30 days of code challenge. Actually not a code challenge but a challenge. This is Vansh on Vansh Code Works. And I am here to update on my day 9 too. Actually day 9 is a not more efficient day, but on this day I have to take classes from morning 8 to evening 5. So I don't have more time. So I don't have many much time left. So I have to do my other works in limited time only. So for today I done POTD of GFG. POTD means problem of the day of GFG. That of a string. In a string they have given an example like geeks for geeks, and I have to find geek geek word in this string on how many index I have to return on which indexes this is happening. This is so, and doing one question like bind, sell, stroke, like these 2 to 3 easy DSA questions only. I didn't do much work on this day and done some questions only, some easy questions actually. So for today this is enough. Note, this is not enough. I have to do much work more. I have to do more work. I want to do work harder, but due to the time constraint, actually due to the time complexity, I don't have this much time, so I can do that work. So for today this is enough. Once this side, signing off. Once code works. Jai Hind.